even though I have grandchildren of my own. It seems like only yesterday when I returned home from school, I saw a frog in my bedroom. I found a frog in my bedroom. I shouted. She knew I would get a frog, but she let me discover a wonder of nature that people remember by remembering. You see, a little earlier this spring, when I was 6 years old, there was a blackfish in a pond. I did not have any pets. I went home and asked my mother if we had any pets. When I asked about catching some fish I had seen, she said it was a responsible thing to have a pet in the house. And I agreed with my mom. He gave me a bowl, told me to catch some fish, and said she will prepare a new home for them. I went. There were so many fish in the pond that it was easy to catch them. I filled the bowl and ran home. When I reached home, I placed a bowl full of water on the corner of the table in front of my mother. I asked them to look at the fish. He looked and spoke with a big smile. "Let's great a surprise for you." I asked what that meant, and he just said I would have to wait and see. After a few weeks, I noticed something was changing. "Mom," I yelled excitedly, "come here, my fish legs are growing." She came into my room, looked, smiled, and told me to keep watching. After several weeks, more changing took place. "Mom," I yelled excitedly, "come here, my fish are growing front legs and their tail are getting bigger." A week or so later, when I woke up, I was shocked. There were more changes. My fish did not have a tail. They had big legs and they just did not look right. Small blackfish I caught earlier in the spring. One day, when I returned home from school, I shouted I found a frog in my bed. "That's strange," exclaimed the mother. "You have seen a miracle before your eyes, that a fish turned into a frog." His mother was laughing so hard because they know that his son had not caught fish from the pond but frog. I shouted and left sacred. Thank you.